रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू हो गया। Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk on the one of the research paper published on the topic of the logistic outsourcing and 3PL selection, a case study in a automotive supply chain. The logistic outsourcing and 3PL selection, a case study in the automotive supply chain. Outsourcing logistics function to the third-party logistics provider has been a source of the competitive advantage for the most of the company. Companies cite greater flexibility, operational efficiency, improved customer service level, and better focus on their core business as part of the advantage of engaging the services of the 3PL providers. There are few complete and structured methodology for selecting a 3PL provider. This paper discusses how one such methodology, namely the analytical hierarchy process, is used in the automotive supply chain for export parts to redesign the logistics operation and to select a global logistics service provider. Keywords are the outsourcing, third-party logistics, 3PL, analytical hierarchy process, multiple criteria decision making. There is a fundamental paradigm shift executed by the many firms as they transform their supply chain capability from an industrial to an information technology driven society. Substantial changes is foreseen in the logistic process between the supply chain partner. They struggle to establish efficient, effective, and the relevant product or service solution for the end customers, and the emphasis the vertical to the virtual integration trend. With a high implementation potential in the 10 mega trends of the new millennium, the problem with the vertical integration is that it requires significant capital investment and complex organizational structure. Company must tie up the expertise and the synergy of the external supply chain partner together to achieve success. Virtually integrating operations with materials and the service supplier to form a seamless flow of the internal and external work overcomes the financial barriers of the vertical ownership while retaining many of the benefits. Outsourcing logistics functions to third parties logistics 3PL provider has been a source of the competitive advantage for the most of the company. Companies cite greater flexibility, operational efficiency, improved customer service level, and a better focus on their core business as part of the advantage of engaging the services of the 3PL provider. The 3PL alliance began with the companies outsourcing some for all of their transportation and distribution functions. In recent times, most 3PLs have gone from offering a single function to integrated logistic provision, offering two or more functions at the same time. Among typical logistic services offered by the 3PL providers are inventory management, IT services such as tracking and tracing, value-added activities such as a secondary assembly and installation of the products, in addition to the transportation and distribution services. This paper aims at reporting the efforts of the Tofas Fiat, a leading Turkish automotive company, to restructure its supply chain for the export parts and presents the methodology it adopted to select a 3PL provider, namely the analytical hierarchy process. The remainder of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 reviews the literature on the logistic service provider selection. Section 3 introduces Tofaz Fiat Automotive Company and provides an overview of its supply chain. The ASP implementation is discussed in Section 4, and finally concluding remarks are given in the last section. Literature review. There exist few analytical models which provide a static decision support for the selecting 3PL providers. Literatures include changing emphasis in the selection process, the criteria that can be used to the conceptual model in their exploratory study. Menon et al. Examined the selection criteria for 3PL providers and how they are affected by the firm's organizational strategy, competitive responses, and external environment. The study points out two dimensions for the selection criteria: suppliers' perceived performance and perceived capability. The first is comprised of the operational issue, which are on-time shipment and delivery, ability to meet the promises, ability of the top management, and the superior error rates. The latter includes creative income management and financial stability. In addition to the two factors, it is found that the responsiveness is also important. However, it did not load on either factor. Finally, the relatively low importance of the prices suggests that price rates are considered per se. Ackerman 1 also provides a list of criteria and recommends corresponding rating scales of evaluation of the 3PL providers. Most of the criteria are operational and listed as the multiple warehouse facility nationwide, inventory management and control, order acceptance, and processing, pick and pack operations, order fulfillment, assembly, packaging, value-added activity, credit card verification, invoicing, credit and collection, per sort capability, returns handling, manifesting, operational management structure, organizational strategic direction, and the financial stability. Sink and Lingley 18 provides a manager framework for the acquisition of the 3PL services. The steps of the conceptual model for the 3PL buying process are as follows: identify the need to outsource logistics, develop feasible alternatives, evaluate and select supplier, implement service, and ongoing service assessment. In the evaluation and selection step, criteria like preferences provided by the current customers, cultural compatibility, financial strength, the depth of the management expertise, operating and pricing flexibility, and information system capability are stated beside the traditional criteria such as quality, cost, capacity, and delivery capability. Foster 5 reflects the shift in the selection paradigm. Viewing outsourcing as a strategy process, companies are focusing more on technology, operation, finance, and management skills than on cost in their selection process. The 10 steps in the engineered process are important for the strategy point of view of the selection issue. The process steps are defining company's strategy, establishing centralized control, verifying operational excellence, leveraging technology, ensuring compatibility, researching bench strength, setting a trust threshold, strengthening cultural similarity, seeking support for the continuous improvement, and making cost a lower priority. Mehdi and Sarkis discussed the factor that provide an important role in evaluating a third-party reverse logistic provider and a model selection support framework for the selection. They differentiate the characteristics of the forward and reverse 3PL provider. The multi-attribute utility theory design support tool employed is an analytical network process which incorporates interdependency and feedback among clusters for group of the selection factor. The NP model puts quantitative, qualitative, strategic, or operational factors into decision framework. The important aspect of the 3PL is the 3PL services are offered in an integrated way, not a standalone basis. The cooperation between the shipper and the external company is intended continuous relation. Berger et al. Argued that in a 3PL relationship, the contract should contain some management, analytical, or design activity, and the length of cooperation between the shipper and the provider should be at least 1 year. To distinguish 3PL from arm's length sourcing of the transportation and the warehousing. While outsourcing of the logistics continues to grow, the level and type of the outsourcing may be signified across time, sectors, and company. Some use 3PL providers simply as a source of the lower cost labor, while others entrust 3PL provider with the vast responsibility over their logistics network. Such differences reflects a range of motivations for the outsourcing logistics that can best described as waves of the outsourcing. Overview of the Topaz Fiat supply chain. This is the case study of the Turkish automotive industry has become one of the major contributions to the Turkish economy. This paper presents a case study of the Turkish automotive company Tofaş Fiat supply chain. Being one of the fastest growing sectors over the past 10 years, the export of the vehicle has rose to 6.87 billion from the 200 million between the 1994 and the 2004, showing a drastic ever growth rate of the 42% per year. In the same period, the exports of the automotive parts and components have increased from 5.9 million to the 3.03 billion, averaging annual growth rate of the 18%. This significant performance forces Turkish automotive company to improve the effectiveness of their logistics function against foreign competitors in the particular. Recent studies have shown that the primary aim of the industry is to decrease the unit cost of the manufacturing. Car makers claim that the material cost component correspond to the 87% of the total manufacturing cost. This high share confirms the importance of logistics function for the company trying to reduce their unit cost of the manufacturing. Among those, Tofaş Fiat Turkic Automotive Plant Extra, an affiliate Fiat Italy, is one of the leading automotive manufacturer in Turkey with a 17% market share in 2004. The company manufactured over 147 passenger cars and light commercial vehicles and realized 1.9 billion in total sales in the 2004. There are three main products flow in the Tofaş Fiat supply chain: complete build-up, unit flow, spare parts flow, and intercompany competed knockdown flow. The company is planning to restructure its logistics activity related with the IC/CKD flow. There are two types of the customer in these exports parts flow, IC and CKD. IC are the main manufacturing centers of the Fiat joint venture company, namely Italy, Poland, Brazil, and China. IC, Tofaş Fiat buy the sale parts from each other except China, which only buy from the IC. The ICs are able to manage the bill of material. In other words, they are able to bloom the bill of material and create order according to their requirement. CKDG are the other manufacturing centers of the Fiat joint venture company: Egypt, NASCO, South Africa, Vietnam, North Korea, Morocco, and India. They don't have the ability to manage the bill of material. The existing material and the information flow in the IC CKD supply chain is illustrated in the figure 1, which is given in the last of the paper. After customers give their orders to the Fiat, it sends those to the predetermined supplier via the world material flow system. Every supplier gets the parts manufactured and ready to be picked up by the 3PL company in the designated time window. Tofaş Fiat initiated the customized milk run project for the export part in an attempt to gain competitive advantage in terms of the cost and time, being other Fiat subsidiary. The customers are IC customers, Italy, Poland, Brazil, and China, and CKD customers, Egypt, NASCO, South Africa, Vietnam, North Korea, Morocco, and India. Existing material handling. In the current practice, the supplier clusters are determined by the direct material logistics department to as a phase Fiat. According to these clusters, route planning and load optimization are performed, take into consideration the frequency of shipment from the supplier. Frequency are changed if needed. The 3PL services the daily shipment information from the collect the parts from the suppliers in the required time window. The export parts are uploaded in the export part warehouses. A minimum of the 18% truck utilization is desired. If the utilization is below 80%, then weekly shipment loading, timing, and the routing data are investigated and the plans are revised if necessary. The majority, nearly 60% of the export parts are packaged at the export parts warehouse. The remaining 40% are packaged at the supplier suites. The export parts are grouped according to the customer orders and wait nearly 3 days in the warehouse for packaging. documentation, and consolidation. If the customer is an overseas country, the parts are loaded into a container rented from the line sector selected by the customer and shipped as soon as the order gets ready. The order of the European customers, Italy, Poland, are shipped by the trucks. In the project, China is selected as the pilot customer for the implementation. The Chinese market corresponds to nearly 10% of the total export market and has no packaging or the transport mode constant. 12 suppliers are determined. Their exports constitute 88% of the total export to the China. Our analysis has revealed that the logistic cost of the 52 export parts corresponded to the 4.9% of the total sales value. 54% of these logistic costs stem from the outbound transportation, 29% from the inbound transportation, 15% from the inventory holding, and 2% from the warehouse cost. Packaging costs are excluded in our analysis since the customer ensures that these costs will not be incurred by the Tofage Fiat. The inbound transportation cost is deducted from the supplier as a percentage of the unit purchasing cost according to the contract made when initiating the project. Insert figure 2. The figure 2 is given in the last of the paper. Customized milk run material handling. In the proposed customized milk run for export parts, the orders are customized with respect to the individual customers. The orders are collected from the suppliers by the containers and shipped to each individual customer via the same container without any additional material handling operation at the Tofage Fiat warehouse. The proposed material handling and information flow for the export part to China is depicted in the figure 2. There are 3 major requirements of the proposed application: partnership with the supplier, synchronized custom operation, and partnership with a global logistic service provider. The first step in creating and maintaining a successful relationship with a 3PL provider is to define the logistic objective. These objectives will be help establishing criteria for the 3PL selection. The components of the service that Tofage Fiat experts from the 3PL providers may be summarized as follows. Number 1 is the integration. Integration means partnership and collaboration. IT integration with Tofage Fiat supply chain, dedicated 3PL sources to the Tofage Fiat, confirming daily material procurement program with the suppliers, Tofage Fiat tracking, optimization, optimum daily vehicle planning, fixed variable route planning, load optimization, assuring high saturation, operation, on-time shipment, synchronization in the customs documentation, transportation of the returnable containers, including customer clearance, urgency planning, minimum transportation cycle time, performance, quality, reliability of the shipment, quality assurance in loading, documentation and transportation, measurement of logistic performance, accepting penalty in case of the low performance, reporting continuous improvement plan. The company aims at achieving the following major quantitative and qualitative gains through logistic outsourcing: reduction in the cost, decrease in the warehouse cost through reduced area and equipment requirement, in material handling costs and in inventory carrying costs, decrease in the cycle time, nearly 3 days, improved delivery frequency, and for increased supplier integration through improved EDI and the supplier package parts. Tofage Fiat considers 5 3PL companies which are equipped with the desired capability. In the next section, we discuss the implementation of the ASP as the 3PL selection methodology. 3PL selection methodology. An appropriate 3PL partner selection process involves multi-criteria and multiple alternatives. The analytical hierarchy process method is adopted in the Tofage Fiat selection process. It is a well-known technique for integrating qualitative and quantitative criteria in selection and decision making. It has been widely applied to the decision problem in areas such as economics and planning and energy policy, material handling and purchasing, project selection, vendor selection, budget allocation, etc. Numerous applications of the analytical hierarchy process are there. The interested reader is referred to for details about the technique. We utilize ASP to cope with the both rational and the initiative to select the best fit from the 5 3PL provider evaluated. The implementation is carried out using expert choice software. We first developed the criteria and the related decision hierarchy. Then we carried out simple pair-wise comparison judgment, which were used to develop overall priority for the ranking of the 3PL providers. The performance of the 3PL providers according to the criteria were evaluated using utility curves, rating, and the step function with respect to the each criterion. The necessary data and information were obtained through the request for the quotation and request for the information. The performance evaluation and the priority were synthesized according to the overreaching goal of the selecting the appropriate 3PL provider for the export parts of the supply chain. Finally, sensitivity analysis was performed to examine the robustness of the provisional decision to changes in the rating of the importance. In what follow is the description of each stage of the methodology. Stage 1, set up the decision hierarchy. The decision hierarchy is depicted in the figure 3, and the details of the selection criteria are provided in the appendix. The criteria and the hierarchy are established with the assistance of the practices and surveys in the American and European logistic market, as well as industrial expenditure of the TOFAS period. SETI system claims that the human mind structure complex reality into the consistent parts, and these enter into their parts, and so on the hierarchically. The number of the parts usually ranges between 5 and 9. Thus, when building the decision hierarchy, we tried not to include more than 9 elements in a cluster, since it was quantitatively challenging for the human beings to deal with more than 9 factors at one time, and this can result in the less accurate priority. We also attempted to cluster elements such that they include elements that are comparable or do not differ by the orders of the magnitude. The details of the criteria are derived from the quotation and the additional information received from the 3PL. For instance, liquidity, operating profitability, and leverage ratio are derived from the balance sheet and income statement of the 3PL to evaluate financial consideration. Criterion, the information about the software used for the optimization in route, load, and vehicle containing plan is requested from the 3PL to make the assessment optimization capability criterion. Stage 2 and 3. Make pairwise comparison and transfer comparison into weights. In order to determine the weights of the criteria used in the 3PL selection process, pairwise comparison are made for each level of the criteria. Pairwise comparison judgment in the HP are applied to the pairs of the homogeneous element. The fundamental scales of the values to represent the intensity of judgment is used for the comparison, where 1 indicates that the criteria are indifferent in terms of the importance, and 9 indicates that the former is 9 times more important, extreme importance, than the latter. This scale has been validated for their effectiveness, and not only in the many applications, but also through theoretical justification of what scale one use in the comparison homogeneous elements. Insert table 1 here, which is given in the last of the paper. Table 1 shows the comparison made for the level criteria for the overall goal of the setting of the preferred TL partner. The first entry 6 means the criterion general company considers in the 6 time more important with an intensity of the strong plus. Then the criterion capability in the same manner, all entries written as an integer. So how many times the row criterion is more important than the column criterion. On the other hand, all entries written as a simple fraction. So how many times the column criterion is more important than the row criterion. The left bottom cell named inconsistency ratio is an indication that shows the inconsistency of the decision making when making the comparison. This ratio is recommended to below a certain value, which varies according to the number of criteria compared. For level 1, the ratio is 0.08, which is below the threshold value of the 0.1145 criteria. The interested reader is referred for the threshold value for the different number of the criteria. Insert figure 4 about here. Moving bottom up global priority, which means how much the specific criterion contributes to the overall decision, is calculated for the each criterion. The weights of the global priority are depicted in the figure 4. Stage 4, decide how well the alternatives perform on the different criteria. This stage is executed by bulleting each 3PL provider by how it performs under each criterion as shown in table 2. The 3PLs are represented A, B, C, D, E. The performance are entered in the specified measurement units, for example, euro for the price. Then the entries are transferred to the utility varying between 0 and 1 in order to able to compare both the quantitative criteria for the hard like price and quantitative criteria for the subject root system. The transformation methodology is detailed for each criterion in the table 3. Insert table 2 and table 3 here, which is given in the last of the paper. The performance simulations are based on the quotation and additional information obtained from the 3PL provider. The evaluation can be made using the 4 tools: utility curves, rating function, step function, or direct entry. The intensity of the rating functions are determined by the pairwise comparison. The intensity for excellent, very good, good, fair, poor are 1.1, 0.842, 0.632, 0.421, and 0.158 respectively. Stage 5, combine the criteria weights and the alternative performance. The global priority of the criteria and the performance of the 3PL provider are multiplied in order to get a synthesized result. The total score of the each 3PL provider sets is depicted in the figure 4. As a result, a ranking of the 3PL is obtained, indicating the best fit score Y. The scores are 0.515, 0.415, 0.412, 0.398, and 0.169 respectively, over a scale of 1.00 for 3PLs B, C, A, D, and E respectively. These results show that the 3PL provider B is the best performing among all the alternatives. Insert figure 5 about here. Step 6, perform sensitivity analysis. This stage enables us to examine how robust the provisional decision is to changes in the rating of the importance determined. Performance sensitivity analysis is used to show how the alternatives were prioritized relative to the other alternatives with respect to each objective as the overall. The original performance graph for level 1 is depicted in the figure 6. Insert figure 6 about here. How to head-to-head sensitivity analysis is used to show how two alternatives are compared against the criteria and the decision. If the left-hand side alternative is preferred to the right-hand side alternative with respect to the criterion, the horizontal bar will be on the left. If the choices are equal, no bars will be displayed. The overall result is displayed at the bottom of the graph, and so is the overall percentage of the one alternative being other than the other. The overall is derived by the weightage average and may differ from the total scores in the sensitivity analysis. The head-to-head graph of the B versus C is illustrated in the figure 7. Insert figure 7 about here. The concluding remarks. This paper presents 3PL provider selection in an automotive company that attempts to streamline and efficiency run its supply chain through logistic outsourcing. The study is valuable for the company in terms of the understanding the 3PL concept and practice and realize the importance of the selection process. Proper care and managerial support is required for defining the objectives and the 3PL requirements of the company. Having an efficient implementation plan for the integration process and continuously evaluating and monitoring the 3PL provider. Thus, the study has revealed that the 3PL industry in Turkey will go through an evolutionary change because not only are the providers and the capability changing, but the expectation of the companies from 3PL providers and their services are changing as well. The following highlights some of the changes that are liked in the industry. more demanding customer expectation of the 3PL service, and an increasingly sophisticated requirement for technology-based and strategic supply chain. Advanced technology offering around strategy, planning, collaboration, supplier management, data management, decision support, and integration. Continued pressure to improve relationship skills in an effort to exceed customer expectation. Ongoing shift in relationship models and deal structure in an effort to provide advanced services structure around mutual incentives. Improved measurement process that address broader supply chain requirement, international trade, and the partner integration. Further evidence for a need for the 3PL providers for system integrators to assume a lead logistic manager role to the more strategically serve the clients. In the 3PL provider selection process, we considered 27 criteria with respect to the general company consideration, capability, quality, client relationship, and labor relationship of the 3PL provider. The analysis helped the company to structure the problem with its differing aspects rather than only financial consideration to reflect the common mind of the team. To resolve conflict between different departmental goals and to bring objectivity to decision via an analytical approach. AHP technique is utilized since it facilitates accurate judgment, provides the management with information about criteria implicate weights, and allow performing sensitivity analysis easily. AHP provides the ranking of the 3PL providers, indicating the best performing 3PL sector-wide. However, an appropriate selection could have been only been made after an extensive sensitivity analysis and the negotiation process. Consequently, the company selected some 3PL providers based on the AHP results and carried out further negotiation. At the end of this, the process, the final decision of the management had been in favor of maintaining the existing logistic practices and postponing the decision for the new outsourcing strategy. This is the appendix showing the 3PL selection criteria. General company considerations are there: price, competitive pricing, which will be derived from the quotation; financial consideration, liquidity, operating profitability, leverage ratio are the selected ratio for measuring the financial situation of the 3PL provider. These will be derived from the balance sheet and income statement. Experience in the same industry, the provider's automotive industry experience will be taken into consideration. The reference and the previous experience may give an idea about the logistics company automotive industry experience. Location, LOC, the geographic area set by the provider is an important issue. The distribution of the offices, branches, warehouses of the service provider according to the suppliers of the company will be considered. Asset ownership, the percentage of the asset ownership is also an important indicator among the company consideration. International scope, the provider's revenue generated from the foreign sales will show how intensive and broader the provider has an international scope. Growth forecast, how many days it takes 3PL to respond a capacity increase of the 20% shows the sensitivity of the 3PL providers' growth capability. Yearly efficiency, it is a measure for the continuous improvement for reducing to the tail cost. Capability, optimization capability, the software names use optimization in route planning, load planning, vehicle container planning, and returnable container plan. Information technology system, the names of the description of the computer system used for tracking, tracing, and the confirmation. Customer service, the criterion is a sign for the dedicated resource for the company. These resources should be full-time employed. The selected indicators for the customer service are management, human resource, each as hour month reserved, and the number of trucks dedicated to the company. SC vision, capacity to accommodate and grow the client's business supply chain vision of the 3PL provider is a vital since it adds the value to the chain by service offering. Migrations, creative management, flexibility and capability to handle a specific business requirement, transportation with containers in the customized milk run project for the export part is an example of the specific business requirement. The flexibility and capability to handle this is an important consideration. Responsiveness, to unforeseen problem or unexpected events. Ability to do urgency planning and ability to perform hot shipment indicates the responsiveness to the unexpected events. Quality, service quality. The quality management system that the service provider exploits. Six Sigma, ISO 9000 give an idea about the service quality and performance of the 3PL provider. Continuous improvement. Reputation for the continuous problem solving can be realized from the idea that taken from the reference of the 3PL provider. Key performance indicator, KPI, and measurement reporting. The KPI proposed by the 3PL provider or the ability to measure the KPI desired by the company and the forms of the report proposed by the 3PL provider is the vital even in the selection process for the future quality of the service. Client relationship, ability of the top management, the accessibility of the contact person from top management is important in case of the necessity for an essential decision to made in urgency. Cultural fit, capability with the company culture and policies derived from the subjective fit. Service cancellation, the duration of the contracts and the reasons for cancellation of the contract for the past 5 years illustrate the 3PL's client relationship. General reputation, the subjective field derived from the industry for the 3PL provider shows its image and general reputation of the 3PL provider. Labor relationship, human resource policy, the organizational structure and the titles for the positions indicate 3PL providers HR policy. Ability of the qualified talent, the occupation of the employers and their automotive experience and logistics experience in terms of the years will demonstrate the quality of the talent that 3PL provider implies. These are the references given for the research paper. 19 references are given. These are the list of the tables. Table 1, level 1, pairwise comparison. Table 2, performance evaluation of the 3PL provider. Table 3, transformation of the performance of the utility. Figure 1, existing material and information flow for the export parts. Figure 2, proposed material and information flow for export parts to China. Figure 3, decision hierarchy. Figure 4, global priority for the level 1 criterion. Figure 5, total scores of the 3PL provider. Figure 6, performance and sensitivity analysis. Level 1, figure 7, head-to-head sensitivity analysis for B and C. This is the table 1, pairwise comparison. And for the GCC, CAP, QA, CLI, and the lab. GCC, CAP, QA, CLI, and lab. The 6 point here, 6 point and 2 point here, 8 point here, 6 point here, 5 point here, 7 point here, 3 point here, and inconsistency ratio is 0.08. This is the performance evaluation of the 3PL provider. These are the 3PL providers are there. Criteria A, B, C, D, E. A 3PL providers are there. These are the criteria are there, and all the performance evaluation are given here. Pre-finance, finance pro, finance leap, indication, LOC, SA, entry, grow, effective, optimization, its customer, true customer, managing, responsiveness, service, important, KPI, TOP, cultural, can, repeat, and this one. And the criteria is expressed here. Low quality, medium quality, good, fair, poor, and excellent, good, fair. These are expressed here. Table 3, transformation of the performance to utility. These are the criteria: type, low by I1, high by I2, curve by I3. This is the utility is given here. Excellent, very good, fair is given there. Rating of the 5 is given there. Figure 1, existing material and information flow for the export parts. Here is the Jarmik port FOB, Turkey unloading, packaging and loading and documentation is there. Route planning and the load optimization is there. 3PL is here. Local suppliers are here. Supplier clusters are here. Supplier cluster 2 is here. Supplier cluster M is here. Joint venture company is here. Europe is here. China, Brazil, India, Vietnam, Moscow, and NOSCO is here. Information flow is there, and the material flow is there from the Turkey. This is the proposed material and information flow for the export to China. Here is the Turkey, and China is here. Information flow is there. Then the Jeremy Coffee, China. These are the containers are there. Container is there. Container is there. Supplier cluster M, supplier cluster 2, supplier cluster 1. Local suppliers are there. Route planning is there. Daily vehicle planning is there. Load optimization is there. High saturation is there. Joint venture company is there. This is the joint venture company. This is the joint venture company. This is the decision hierarchy. Selecting the appropriate 3PL provider, level 1, level 2, general company considerations are there, capability is there, quality is there, client relationship is there, labor relationship is there, level 3, price, financial condition, industry experience, location, asset ownership, international scope, growth forecast, year efficiently, optimization capability, IT system, customer service level, SC vision, creative management, responsiveness, service quality and performance, continuous improvement, KPI measurement and reporting, ability of the top management, cultural fit, service cancellation, general reputation, HR policy, ability of the qualified talent. Level 4, liquidity ratio, operating ratio, profitability ratio, leverage ratio, management hours, and dedicated trucks. These are the decision hierarchy of the company. These are the global priority set of the level 1 criterion. And for each criterion, the global priority sets have given there. These are the total scores of the 3PL provider. The B get highest score 0.15, then C 0.415, then A 0.412, then D 0.39, and E 0.169. These are the performance sensitivity analysis level 1. Performance sensitivity analysis level 1. For the B, this is the red one. For A, this is the blue one. For C, this is the green one. And for D, this is the for D. This is the performance sensitivity analysis, and they are the overall sensitivity analysis. Alternative percent objective is given here. This is the head-to-head sensitivity analysis of for the B versus C. Head-to-head sensitivity, capability, quality, client, labor, overall. This is the head-to-head sensitivity analysis. And this is the end of the paper. Thank you with best wishes.